Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to Reese Vlogs. So you can already tell by the title, today we're doing saltfish fritters. I don't know what mine got a while ago, but we're doing saltfish fritters Jamaican style, of course. And see the ingredients. I'm using some natural seasoning, some onion, 2 peppers, and scallion. I like a lot of scallion in my saltfish fritters, and I already know my story with pepper already. I have some black pepper over here, so cause I feel like saltfish fritters have black pepper, and then some baking powder to help it bubble up and fry a little bit better. And then of course I have the flour over here to use. I'm just dicing them up, and then I'm going to put back this was already cut, as you can see, and I just split it in half, but I'm just using 1/2 of that as well. You can decide how much you want to use. And then the saltfish is over here boiling out. You have to boil out your saltfish. Probably can leave it overnight to soak. Some people like their saltfish chunks big, some people like their saltfish chunks small. I don't really mind. I just go through and shred them up. If them come out big, them come out big. If them come out small, them come out small. Right, sure, right this. So this is how we're looking now. I have the seasonings, the saltfish, and the flour. So now I'm just going to add some black pepper, as I showed you before, right all over it. And I feel like some people put tomato, adding baking powder too. Some people put tomato in their saltfish fritters. I don't, because I don't know, I never eat saltfish fritters with tomatoes before. But if that's something that you think you'd like, or you've seen persons use it, then you can go ahead and use that. But as I say, I like my saltfish fritters with these things: the saltfish, the seasonings, scallion, onion. Barely like onion in the saltfish fritters, but I use it still, and peppers, black pepper, the baking powder, and the flour. So now I'm just going to add water to it and mix, then I put it in the pot. So now I'm just adding water to it. You have to be careful how much water you add, because you don't want to spoil it. But this definitely want more water. So you just watch it, see how the consistency comes out. You don't want it to be too thick, and you don't want it to be too runny. I'm going to add some more water, but I'm gonna add too much. But I think this should be good. And as you can see, me like my saltfish fritters with enough things in there. This is the consistency you want. So I used a full cup like this, based on the amount of flour and everything else. I used a full cup, probably up to here, of water. So now I'm going to put it in the pot. Right, so now the pot is heated. I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of it. So I'm going to add the oil, a good amount. I'm going to put the stove, the fire under the pot at about medium high heat. Not medium high, medium heat. So right in between high and low. Right in the middle. Yeah. So it looks like the pot is somewhat hot. I can see bubbles in the oil. So I'm just going to start to add the flour mixture to the pot. And there you have it. They're all turned. It wasn't as easy and it's a bit skillful, especially when you let them touch, but it's possible to turn them, separate them and turn them, as you can see here. So there we have it, the finished product. Nice, crispy. Right, if you enjoyed this video, if you learned anything from this video, go ahead and click the like button, click the subscribe button, join the Reese Vlogs gang, okay, and just come back again for the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.